So if you decide to have an abortion, the sooner done it is done, the easier and safer it is. But you might want to take time making your decision, which is why it is important to find out if you're pregnant as soon as possible. Nobody needs to know you're pregnant until you're ready to tell them. You can ask to see a female doctor if it would make you feel more comfortable. If you decide to continue with the pregnancy, you should start your pregnancy antenatal care as soon as possible. This includes health checks for you and your baby. Your GP can discuss this with you. I've had sex without a condom. Yes, I have. Right, you did it. Sorry for laughing. Right, you know. If you have had sex without condom or condom splits or comes off, there's a risk of both pregnancy and STIs. The best thing you can do is act quickly, and the quicker you act, the sooner you can prevent the pregnancy or get tested for a STI. Pregnancies. You can get pregnant if you have sex without a condom or the condom splits or comes off. In this case, to avoid pregnancy, you can either take the emergency contraceptive pill, sometimes called the morning after pill, up to 72 hours, 3 days, or 120 hours, 5 days after having unprotected sex, depending on the type of pill. Have an IUD, that hang in your arm, sometimes called a coil fitted up, or a coil fitted up to 120 hours, 5 days after having unprotected sex. However, try to take emergency contraceptive before 3 days or have the coil fitted before 5 days. The sooner you take it, the more effective this will be. Take a pregnancy test. If your next period doesn't arrive when you expect it to, if you're having sex, don't regularly rely on emergency contraceptives to stop you getting pregnant. There's lots of contraceptive options you can choose from. Talk to the nurse or doctor at your clinic or GP surgery about the type of contraceptive and ensure what's right for you. STIs. If you have sex without condom splits or comes off, you are also at risk of an STI. If this happens or you're worried you've got an STI, you can get confidential help and advice in your local area, as well as free testing for STI, sexual health clinic, clinic, some community contraceptive clinics, some GPs. Chlamydia. Is the one and most common STIs in the UK. It can be easily tested for, and the testing is free and confidential at sexual health clinic or your GP. You can also buy chlamydia testing kits to use at home for free tests available online for 15 to 25 year olds. I've forgotten to take my pill. It may not be protected against pregnancy. You may not be protected against pregnancy if you have forgotten to take your pill. This depends on what type you've taken, how many doses you have missed already, and how many pills are left in the packet.